I'm going to show you how you can export a chat on Telegram in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like it for more. So all you need to do is open Telegram. In my case, I'm using the desktop application, and then we're going to go to any DM. So for example, this one. And once you are here, you will see the three dots at the top right. You need to press there and you will see this option to export the chat history. So if we click here, we will see the chat export settings, where you can choose if you want to export photos, videos, audios, video messages, stickers, GIFs, and files. So you can check those, the ones you want to export, and the size limit. So this means, for example, if I set a size limit of 20, this means if a photo or a file or a video is more than 20 megabytes, it won't be exported. And then we can set the format, which by default is HTML, which I recommend. Then the path where you want this export to be at. So this is the default path. And then we can set a specific time lane. So you can do basically all the messages if you set it like this by default. Or for example, if you want only messages from the last week, you can do something like this. So that's it. Then you just export it, and it will take a few seconds to export. And now here we have the export of our chat, which is this HTML file that contains something basically similar to a Telegram chat, where you can scroll down just like a regular chat. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.